The Carolina Hurricanes take on the Florida Panthers tonight in a battle at PNC Arena. This should be a pretty fun one when you've got Alexander Barkov, Matthew Tkachuk versus Svechnikov, Aho, and the entire stalled line. And some of you eagle-eyed viewers might notice that I am without my glasses. And yes, my dog did in fact think they were a toy. Antti Raanta is in net tonight, and he is looking to continue that shutout streak that he has started last game. And yes, I have been drinking, so stats may be wrong, and I may slur some words, so keep that in mind and take some stuff that I say with a grain of salt. That was not great. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's going to be a long night. At about 5 minutes in, just like clockwork, we get a penalty, and we have to go on the penalty kill. But thankfully, the Florida Panthers are just as bad as we are at the power play. And 30 seconds into the penalty kill, we draw an interference and we go on to a 4-on-4. And after the power play, Nason with the goal. Aho put a shot on net, went through the goalie's legs, went off the post, and Nason was right there to clean it up and put it right into the net. Nason is continuing to show that he is one of the most underrated players on this team. The Canes would go on another penalty kill about 11 minutes into the game. Svechnikov kind of interfered on a player that was almost about to shoot onto Antti Raanta, and with that, the player fell into Antti Raanta, and Antti Raanta was slow to get up, and I hope that he can continue on in this one, but if not, then I'm confident with Pyotr Chekhov in goal. Of course, everyone knows that he's the king. So, for full clarification, my internet would go out, so I missed a little bit of the game. I am now at 4 minutes and 15 seconds, and as soon as I get the stream back online, I see that we go on to the penalty kill for a Necas slashing. So again, we're on the penalty kill. What do you expect? And my internet is bad. I live on a military base. What do you expect? The story of the game so far has been that the Carolina's defense has been great, only allowing 3 shots on goal compared to Carolina's 12 shots on goal. And we really need to settle down in terms of taking penalties. We're taking far too many penalties. Usually it's by the second period that we take this many penalties. Nothing would really happen in the start of the second period until about 5 minutes into it, 4 minutes into it. And then the Carolina Hurricanes would go on the power play when the Florida Panthers had too many men on the ice. And on the power play, Svechnikov with the goal. Oh my gosh, it feels so good getting power play goals. It's unlike anything else. I'm now watching the game now. Let's see, I'm watching the replay. We've got Burns to Svechnikov, just straight in. There is no deflection. It's just Svechnikov. Man, what a player Svechnikov is. Yes, I am feeling it a little bit right now. It is what it is. The Florida Panthers would get a penalty called on them in about 11 minutes into the second period after Slavin did a great poke check on their Florida player, and he got pissed, and I don't know why, because he got owned? I suppose so. It's a sad reason why to get a penalty called on you, but it is what it is. And Teravainen with the goal on the power play. Jarvis had a sick behind-the-back pass right in front of the net, right across it, and Teravainen just put the shot right on net. We're finally starting to pick up the power play, which is great. We needed more goals off the power play. But yeah, Teravainen is just awesome. Jarvis just, I felt like, is even more impressive than the goal itself. Like his passes have just been awesome. And I'm sorry, I'm feeling it just a little bit. I skipped the last stupid penalty that we took. That we go on to another penalty kill with 3 minutes left in the game. I'm just getting sick and tired of all the penalties we're taking. I mean, we're better than this. The period would end 3-0 for the Canes. We looked pretty good on offense, but I'm really getting tired of how many penalties we're taking. We are always taking so many stupid penalties, and I feel like this is something that's going to hinder us going into the playoffs. We're going to face a really good team in the playoffs, and we're going to be taking too many stupid penalties, and we're going to lose the series. Like, we shouldn't have lost against the Rangers last season, but we did. And this season, we're going to end up losing to stupid Toronto, who somehow make it past the first series, which I do predict. I think they're going to make it past Game 7, the first series, for the first time in 7 years. That'll be interesting. And yes, I am feeling it a little bit. I am sorry. This is such a stupid recap. I'm sorry. And 2 minutes into the third period, the Panthers would get a penalty called on them, and the Canes would go on to the power play. They have now scored 3 goals on power plays, which is uncharacteristic, but I love it. Oh my gosh. Kotkaniemi with the score on the power play. The 4th goal is a power play. This is insane. I love it. Kotkaniemi just straight into the goal past the goalie Knight. It was just all by himself pretty much. He just got the oh yeah, there's the replay right there. It's just I'm feeling it just a little bit. Oh dear. Sorry, my hair is a little bad. Oh fuck, I'm gonna be embarrassed of this video tomorrow. Yes I am. I'm about 12 minutes into the game, 11 minutes into the game, and I'm getting sick and freaking tired of how little that the Carolina Hurricanes are being respected right now. We are killing the Florida Panthers 4-0 right now. And yet, I bet you tomorrow and the next day and the next day, we will be talked about this much. They'll talk about the freaking Toronto Maple Leafs, the Edmonton Oilers. Like, they're showing more of the Edmonton Oilers right now than they are the Carolina Hurricanes. And yet, we are the best team in the stupid NHL. I am getting sick and freaking tired of this. Right now, I'm watching the game. There's about maybe 7 minutes left in the third period, and I am just so freaking tired of these ads that are on the boards, and it's so distracting. This is so dumb how there's like white outlines over the players. Like I am this close to being just done. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm a little. My wife should have been a little bit more in touch with how much I've been drinking, and she's gone to bed, so I am screwed. We can't stop, and we won't stop. No. With about 50 seconds left, Svechnikov would get a cross-checking penalty while the other team gets a roughing penalty. And I hope the other team really, really thinks about this, because they just tried to go against Svechnikov, who's one of the best players in the league, and they are trash. The Florida Panthers are just freaking trash right now. And they want to go after Svechnikov. They did a cheap shot at him. I don't give a fuck what they say. And the Carolina Hurricanes would win it 4-0 over the trash Florida Panthers. This is now the Carolina Hurricanes' 10th game in a row with a win and 16th straight game with a point. Congratulations to Antti Raanta for his 2nd consecutive shutout game against the trash Florida Panthers. The Florida Panthers were absolute dog shit throughout this whole game, and the Carolina Hurricanes absolutely dominated on every single level of this game. I actually feel bad for Florida Panthers fans who have to cheer for such a dog crap team, while us, the very privileged Carolina Hurricanes fans get to have a really awesome storm surge like I am watching right now. And I am just privileged to say that I am a Carolina Hurricanes fan where our team is going to be the Stanley Cup champions this year. And you can either clip this and make fun of me later when we don't make it to the Stanley Cup, or freaking just treat me as a fucking god when I call this correctly, because we all know that the Carolina Hurricanes will make the Stanley Cup and we will win it because we are the best team in the league. And yes, I am just a little bit drunk right now. From all of us here at Hockey News Tonight, I'm Logan Brock. Go Canes! Swear, this team sometimes. They're